Kabadto, yes sir. To Mr. Zamora. Lane was saan ka punta? To the moon, Zamora. To Mr. Hong. To si Paluga. Attack. Once again, si Paluga deliver. Kabadto with a steal, with a pass. Magay. 2 points, Magay. Rebound, Insulong Zamora. Zamora pass to Mr. Gindos. For 2, bow! For jersey number 17, number 7. Middle layup, yes sir. Pass to for 2, bang! 3 points, Sigan. Ay, pass to Zamora. Tulong pa. That's 5. Yes sir. 3 points. First ball possession goes to Team Kalayugan. Jersey number 25 to Mr. Kabadto. Number 25 with a pick. Number 25. Pass to Mr. number 17 for 2 minutes. Rebound from Mr. Tungkol. Magay. Easy Magay. Zamora for 2 nugget. Rebound for Mr. San Juan. San Juan to Mr. Tungkol. Tungkol with the drive. With the pass. Si Paluga. 2 points on Mr. Si Paluga. Pass to number 4. Number 4 nugget. Is the jersey number 4. It's the clock once again. The jersey number 25 for 2 short. Rebound for jersey number 25 once again. Layup no good. Rebound for jersey number 15 for 2. Robert. Rebound to Zamora. Isilon Zamora driving the basket for 2. Yes sir. 2 points Zamora. The jersey number 15 pass to jersey number Magay with the steal, pass to Magay with a good ball. Sana Malayugan 6-0. Kabadto driving away at the paper. Right shot for jersey number 4. The start MBV. Pass to Luka, pass to Zamora with the spin. Zamora with the pass. Tungkol! The connection of Zamora and Tungkol. Thirteen again. Rebound and a shadow. Will jersey number 17, good for 2. Isilong Magay. Isilong Magay with the pass. With a pass break, Kabadto. Goodbye. 2 points, Kabadto. Rebound by number 17. The number 8 for 3. Rebound by Mr. Magay. With a pass to Zamora. 3-on-2 action. Zamora to si Paluga. Si Paluga shot, no good. To Mr. Zamora. Yes, sir. To number 3, to jersey number 8 with a wide open. Bang! With 1, 2, 3 points. To Magay to Mr. Zamora. Si Paluga with the steal for Team Kamalanyugan, number 17 with the pass to Mr. Kabadto. Zamora. Pass to si Paluga. Si Paluga shot. Zamora with an attack. Zamora with a nice fake. What a Euro step. coming waiter, Zamora. Jersey number 3, Cabado. And stop and shot. Cabado with an easy 1K with jersey number 23. With a pass in, a nice steal for team Alcala. Zamora driving the basket. Yes, sir. Jason, good for 2. Lumba pass to Magay. Magay with the drive. The rebound for team Alcala. Steve Baloga secures the rebound. Steve Baloga pass to Zamora with a tap. Zamora driving the lane. No good. Steve Baloga coming for the tip. Number 3, Cabado. Is still on Cabado. Cabado with a pass, jersey number 1, pull up. Yes, sir. To jersey number 7, Lumba. Pass to Mr. Serra. Lumba shot. Yes, sir. It's a good sign for Team Malcala. Lumba setting the way. Lumba. Floater, yes sir, Lupa. Super break, jersey number 8 with a pass. Number 1 for 2, no good. Rebound for Team Kamalanyugan, jersey number 27. Shot, yes sir. Pass to Sultan. Sultan shot, no good. And a basket count. Alcala, what a buzzer beater. Over to the 20. For 2, yes sir. So, Izon Quintos. Pass to Quintos Bre. Izon Quintos with the pass. San Juan with the fix. San Juan for 2, yes sir. 2 points on Mr. San Juan. To jersey number 10. To number 25 to jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 4. Posting up number 4 is Kabla. Rebound. Is Dilon Tungkol. Tungkol favorite moves. And just like that. And the basket. And with a foul with a bonus strike. With a pass, space shot, using the space shot. Number 20 with the rebound. To jersey number 25. Jersey number 25 pass to jersey number 10. To drop pass number 20. Shot. Yes sir. To jersey number 25. He's on jersey number 25, pass to Zamora. Zamora for 2, no good. Rebound for Tungkol. 2 points, Tungkol. Zamora with the driving. What a pick and what a shot. Zamora. He's still on Quintos. Quintos dribbling pass to Mr. Magay. Magay with a nice pass. And one. How about that? The connection of Magay. With the screen of jersey number 5, jersey number 10, 14, the jersey number 3, to jersey number 10, the jersey number 3, with the pass. Island pace, Tungkol, tumilap pa, no good. To jersey number 3, with the shot, yes sir. Cabado with the shake and fake. Cabado driving. Yes, sir. To Mr. Zamora attacking the lane once. Wow! Woo! Saan ka punta? To the moon, Zamora. The fake. Cabado easy block. What a chase down. To Mr. Proas. To number 3. Cabado once again. Palad. Pass to jersey number 16 with a cut and shoot. Bang! 3 points, jersey number 16. to Mr. Magay. Magay pass to Mr. Simpaluka. Simpaluka attacking the basket. Magay. Magay. With the pass again, once again. Simpaluka attacking. No hit. Magay. To Magay pa rin. Magay with a crossover. Pass to Mr. Hong. 2 points! Hong! Grabe! Yes! Kabil doon na good. To Hang! So jersey number 28, to jersey number 3, to number 27, with a fake round. What a beautiful shot! And just like that, the lead cut to jersey number 3 is on jersey number 3 rin. Jersey number 3, Kabaddo. Is on Kabaddo rin. Kabaddo. And that's here. Simpaluka. Is still on Simpaluka. Simpaluka with a nice crossover. Simpaluka with a coast-to-coast layup. Pass to number 3, Kabaddo.
Oh, nice pass. Sayang.
Simpaluka attacking the lane. Simpaluka and easy two. Oh my God. Once again to jersey number 28. Is on jersey number 28 to Mr. Kabaddo. Kabaddo. Pass to jersey number 8. 3 points. Wearing jersey number 8. Usihai. Pass to jersey number 3 with a pass. Number 8, good shot, good for 2. To Mr. Hong. To Simpaluka, attacking the lane once again. Simpaluka delivered to Team Magara for the second quarter. Kabaddo. Number 17, easy two. For jersey number 3, Kabaddo. Is yung Kabaddo for 2, yes sir. To Simpaluka. Simpaluka shot, no good. Jersey number 3. Is yung jersey number 3. To jersey number 8. Kabaddo with a steal, with a pass. Magay, goodbye. 2 points, Magay. To jersey number 3, Kabaddo with a shake and fake. To jersey number 25. And a traveling violation. Magay, change some direction. Received by jersey number 3 with a spin. Kabaddo is still on Kabaddo shot. Yes, sir. To Simpaluka with the crossover. Simpaluka layup. What a hang on the air by Mr. Simpaluka. 25. Pass to Kabaddo for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Good for 2. He's still on Simpaluka. Simpaluka with the nice spin. Simpaluka shot. Yes, sir. Pass jersey number 25 attacking the lane, no good. Rebound, Lumba. He takes the space down, yes sir. Time. To jersey number 25. To jersey number 10. To jersey number 10. To jersey number 25 for 3. Won't go. And a rebound for Team Jersey. Number 4 to number 1 short, number 17. 2 points by jersey number 17. Simpaluka with the catch. No good. Rebound by someone that I used to. Jersey number 10 with a shake. Number 10 with a pass to jersey number 1. Number 1 attacking the basket. To Zamora. Zamora. With jersey number 10. To Mr. Quintos. To Zamora. Mr. Sigpaluga. Zamora to cut. Of Team Alcala. Rebound. Issue ng Zamora. Zamora pass to Mr. Quintos. Quintos for two. Bang! To jersey number 3. Pass to number 10. To jersey number 17. Number 17 with the layup. Yes, sir. Pass to Bill Smith. 14 minutes. Rebound 14. Kamalan Yugan. With a drop pass to jersey number 25 to number 3, Kabado. Yes, sir. Mr. Kid of Bill pass to Zamora. Zamora attacking the basket. Zamora with the beautiful spin. And yes, sir. Jason. Oh, jersey number 10. Oh, number 25. Zamora. Zamora for 3. Yes, sir. With a pass, yes sir, jersey number 20, easy two. Is still on Quintos friend. Quintos space jam, pass to Mr. Jason. Jason is on Zamora. Zamora is on Zamora. Zamora shot, yes sir. Easy basket for Mr. Zamora. Is on jersey number 3 friend. Jersey number 3 with a pass to Mr. Palad. Palad, Palad, Palad attacking the lane with a pass, jersey number 3, and nice defense. Quintos. Is on Quintos. Pass to Mr. Kaleha. To Mr. Quintos. Jersey number 13, Anspo. To jersey number 3 is on jersey number 3 friend. Jersey number 3 with a pass. And nice steal. Bill Spin. It's on Bill Spin. To jersey number 8 with a fake for 3. Yes, sir. Pass to Mr. Catral. Pull up. Rebound for jersey number 8 to number 3, Kabado driving the lane. Yes, sir. Palajawan to number 3, Kabado. Isilong Kabado. Kabado for 2. Yes, sir. 5 to shoot. Quintos driving the basket for 2. To jersey number 3. Next one. To jersey number 3 pa rin. Pass to number 8 for 3. Bang! 3 points of Sigan. To jersey number 3. Kabado. Isi yung Kabado pa rin. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, attacking the lane, Nugget. Is still on Lumba pa rin. Lumba with a nice pass. Give and take, Mag-guide. And Lumba connection. Is still on jersey number 4. To jersey number 3. Number 3. Is on jersey number 3 for 2. Bang! 3 points, Kabado. To Mag-guide. Pass to Zamora. To Lumba. Lumba 5. Yes, sir. 3 points. Nice save for Mr. Lumba to Mr. Zamora. To Magay. Magay goodbye. 2 points. Magay. Magay for 3. No good. Rebound. Jersey number 4. Nick Flying Bird. Pass to jersey number 8. Yes, sir. 2 points. Zamora pa rin. Zamora. Zamora. Is still Zamora. Zamora driving the basket. Zamora has to Magay. To Lumba. With the fake. Lumba for 2. Bang! 2 points. Lumba. To Mr. Zamora. Zamora with the pass to yes, sir. To Kabaddu with the pass. Number 8 for 3. Bang! 3 points. Usitan. Is still Magay. Magay para sa Lumba. To Tungkol. Posting up. Tungkol shot. Yes, sir. Tungkol with a beautiful. Zamora with a nice steal. Yes, sir. Time out. Come on. Sip Baloga. Sip Baloga attacking the lane. Yes, sir. Basket foul to jersey number 1. Pass to Sip Baloga. Sip Baloga shot. Bang! Back to basket 1 for the jersey number 25. Still Magay. Magay attacking the lane. To Sip Baloga. Oh! 2 points. Sip Baloga. Kapilip. To jersey number 15. To Sip Baloga. San Juan. Lugit. San Juan. Nagawa ngayon. To jersey number 3. Number 0 pa rin. Kabaddu with the drop pass number 25. Easy to. To jersey number 10 with the fake. Jersey number 10 to jersey number 8. Pull up 3. Short. Rebound by jersey number 10. Yes, sir. To Magay. Is still Magay pa rin. Magay. Is still. To jersey number 10, Fortune Nugget. Rebound for Team Kamalanyugan number 25. Yes, sir. Si Baloga. Yes, sir. Magay with a nice pass. 2 points by Mr. Hong. Sera pass to Magay. To jersey number 10 with the drop pass number 1 shot. No good. Bill Smith. Magay to Mr. Hong. Hong. 2 points. Bill Smith. Grabe ka naman. Behind the back. Magay. To jersey number 10. To jersey number 1. Pasok at try for 2. Nugid. Iba by Hong. Hong! 2 points Hong! Grabe, di talaga nagbimintis. Sino ka? To number 14. For 3. Bang! And that's it! Congratulations!